Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Enchiladas Michoacanas. First, you'll need to gather your key ingredients. Start with about 12 corn tortillas, a small amount of cooking oil, and 2 cups of crumbled queso fresco. For the rich, authentic sauce, you'll prepare a blend of 6 dried guajillo chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget to have a 1/2 cup of finely chopped white onion, and a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro on hand for garnish. Now, let's get that delicious chili sauce ready. Begin by rehydrating your dried guajillo chilies in hot water for about 15 minutes, allowing them to soften nicely. Next, combine the softened chilies with the 2 cloves of garlic, a small pinch of salt, and a 1/4 cup of fresh water in a blender. Process until you achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Finally, strain this vibrant chili mixture through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a silky, smooth sauce, free of any bits. With your sauce prepared, it's time to assemble these delightful enchiladas. Carefully dip each corn tortilla into the rich chili sauce, making sure it's fully coated on both sides. Then, gently fry the sauce tortillas in hot oil for about 15 to 20 seconds per side, just until they become soft and pliable. Once fried, place 2 tablespoons of the crumbled queso fresco inside each tortilla, then roll them up tightly to form your enchiladas. To serve your authentic Enchiladas Michoacanas, arrange them beautifully on a plate. Generously top them with additional crumbled queso fresco and the finely chopped white onion. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a drizzle of Mexican crema or sour cream will add the perfect finishing touch. These are best enjoyed immediately. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.